welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nadia, and if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for sticking around. So today I'm actually going to unbox my magic keyboard. I'm so excited for this. This video, I just thought that if I just unbox the magic keyboard, it's just gonna be over so quickly. So I just wanted to show you a little bit more about what I've been doing with my iPad the past few months and how I've been preparing for school, because I start university this September. I've had my iPad for a while now and I've been preparing it for school and university when I start, because I want to take notes on my iPad. I want to write it with my Apple Pencil or with the keyboard, and I'm just gonna show you what I've been doing, what apps that I have, and if you want like an updated video of this when I actually start school and when I've been taking a few notes, I'm gonna do that for you, of course. But right now I'll just show you the preparing and how you can get set up and what you actually need. So if you enjoyed this video already, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also ring the notification bell. Subscribing really helps me to grow my channel and also to get the video to a lot more people and to help them set up their iPad how they need it for school. Let's just get right into the video. I would really enjoy if you subscribe, but now let's get into the unboxing part. So we'll just start right up here. I think you just have to like, so exciting. And now I can open it already. Nice. So satisfying. Is it already unboxed? Oh my god. Okay, wait, I'll open it like this. Okay, that was the wrong way. Here it is. The new keyboard. Well, it's not that new, but it's new for me. But there's like stuff that came with it. I'll just open it up and see what's in here. It's just this thing here. Just instructions, how you can like just click it to the keyboard. I'm gonna try this out right now. Okay, so this is the keyboard and this is my iPad now. I have this cover here. But I'm very excited to have the new one actually. Okay, so it just holds. It's so perfect. And then you just close it. And you have, like, you basically have a laptop here in this thing. You have everything. That is so crazy. So exciting, because you also have a trackpad, which was actually one of the main reasons why I got the magic keyboard and not the smart keyboard, I believe it's called, because the smart keyboard does not have a trackpad. So I actually wanted to try to edit on my iPad as well, because I have a iMac now and not a laptop anymore, and I was used to edit on my laptop and to be able to just take it with me and edit anywhere. So I really want to try and do that on my iPad now, and I really needed a trackpad for that, because otherwise you can't really edit without a trackpad. And I don't know if you can actually connect a mouse with the other keyboard, but like, yeah, I would much rather have this one here. So this was the unboxing part, but now I'll get into explaining to you what I've been downloading, what apps, and what I've been doing, what I've been preparing to start school in September. So basically I'm gonna first start with telling you what apps that I use for now. The first one that I probably am gonna take most of my notes on is GoodNotes. GoodNotes 5 to be exact. You've probably heard of it. I've heard from YouTube as well. That's why I bought it. It's just a few dollars on the App Store. I think like $8 or $9, and you just buy it once. There's no subscription to it, and you just have it. It's like a note-taking app, and you never use paper again. So yeah, it's probably even cheaper than buying paper all the time. So basically you can just create like folders and notebooks. And then what I did for now is, yeah, I'll just show you. I created a timetable, for example, and you can just I put like everything in it, and the timetable isn't actually like fixed yet, because the courses that I take, you can just fix them like a few weeks before going to school. So yeah, I just did a timetable that isn't quite sure yet, but I kind of planned everything on it. Then the next thing I did is I did a folder for like everything, like the semesters that I take, every hours that I have, like all the things and classes that I take, and I already prepared that here in the like school folder. Then I also have one for YouTube, actually, like just a few notes and stuff, and I prepared like calligraphy stuff because I really want to write neatly and nicely on my iPad notes, because there's so many really pretty ones. I'm sorry, everything is in German, just like to let you know. My school is in German and everything, so I'm sorry if you don't understand, but it's just about handwriting. So first handwriting that you see is actually my handwriting. It's not very neat, but I didn't like try too much here because I just wanted to see how it looks like. But the other ones are actually fonts that you can download online. Well, this is the like basic Arial font, and I just wanted to see how it looks in comparison to the other one. But like, for example, the title is a font that you can download, and all the other ones too, and they actually look like handwriting, or like a bit neater handwriting. So I really like it about that. Like when I do the second video about what I'm doing with my school notes and everything, I'm for sure gonna show you if I use like my handwriting or if I use the fonts more often, so I can show you everything. But for now, I just have everything prepared so that if I want to use the fonts, I have them. And yeah, I'm gonna show you afterwards how you can download the fonts. It's really simple, actually. And then another thing that I prepared right before starting university is just I put all the classes that I could find, I put them into folders and then into notebooks, and then I like put all the information, basically like how many classes there is from when to when you have them. Like this one is, for example, from the 22nd of September till the 26th of January. So like I kind of know what I'm getting myself into. Then I put the time and the day there as well, how many points I'm gonna earn from it. So I put everything down, and then I could choose which ones I want for this year. And then I can also see like maybe some of them I'm not even qualified yet, because I first have to do like other ones. And then you have everything in one place, and you can put it all in here, all in those folders. And basically, if you like, for example, I have an iMac, and now everything is like connected with this app. You just have to buy it once, and after that you basically have it on all your devices. It's just like connected through iCloud, and it's all synced up together. So basically you could just transfer your notes on your iMac really easily. Oh, and also something I wanted to show you is that if you click on these three dots, you can actually change template, and then you can change the paper settings. So you can basically choose between like a white, a like beige, or a black color. At the moment I really like black, it's very nice, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it black or maybe gonna go to white, because I heard that on the black background the highlighter doesn't work too well, it doesn't look too good. Yeah, I don't know, it looks really weird. What I'm gonna do, so I'll just tell you in the next video. Now I'm gonna show you how you can download fonts. So basically I just realized that I forgot to screen record my iPad while doing everything. I'm just gonna show you again. I'm gonna just show you how you can download the fonts that I have on GoodNotes. For that you're gonna need the app iFont here and Safari. So basically you go on Safari. I have like a font that I found on a YouTube video and it's called Black Bubble. So if you have the name of the font that you want to download, you go on Safari, you write Black Bubble font, and then you click on the first link, which is going to be thefont.com. You click download and confirm it, and then it's going to be up here. You go on there and it's going to bring you on the Files app. So you click the zip file, and then when you unzip this file, you get either like this thing here, or you maybe also get a folder. Then you just click on it, and as soon as you're on here, you click on the share icon, and then you click iFont. And this app is free, by the way. Like, it's just on the App Store, you can find it there, and it's completely free. So you click on here and it brings you to the app, and the font that you downloaded is here. Then you click install, allow, and you have to like do something on the settings app. So you go on settings, and then up here something's gonna pop up, and you click it, you click install, you put your passcode, done, install, and yeah, it's here. So basically these are all the fonts that I downloaded. Now if you go back on the iPhone app, you can see that it's installed now, and then you also have it on GoodNotes. I can show you that afterwards. But if you want to have like a few options to download fonts, like the names and how they look like, I can just show you. I'm gonna scroll through here and show you the fonts that I actually have, so that if you want to, you can just screenshot it and look at the fonts that you want to download for your iPad and your GoodNotes. Now I'm going to show you on GoodNotes how I have these fonts. So basically you just click here and you write something, I don't know. So basically I just made the font white, and then if you click on the font, how was it called? Bubble or something? Black Bubble, right? Oh, okay. So it's here. You can just click on it and see the font right here. So basically you just have the font and you can change it however you want to. All the fonts that I have, like basically this one is one of my favorites. It's really pretty. But anyways, it's really easy. So if you also want to have that on your Mac, you're not gonna have it downloaded on your Mac immediately if you download it on your iPad. It's just gonna show up as a default font. So you're gonna have to download the same fonts on your Mac too. And I believe that there's even an app from Apple that's called Fonts on the iMac, which you can just download the fonts and then put it in that app, and you're gonna have it on GoodNotes as well. So if you want a tutorial on that, just let me know, I'm gonna show you. But it's really easy. It's basically really similar to what this is, just with another app. And I really wanted to include that because I didn't know if I wanted to do handwriting or if I want to write my notes, but I really wanted them to look aesthetic because I can get really lazy, and if I don't do it before I start, I'm not gonna do it. So I just organize everything before because I love organizing, I really do. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also ring the notification bell. Subscribing really helps my channel to grow, and I would really be so happy to have you here. Really hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I hope that I see you in my next video. Bye!